guys, Katri here, and for today's video, we will be having a new segment. Wow, new segment na yan. We will be having the Katri Meow Meow Podcast. Yay! So, Katri Meow Meow Podcast, to introduce you guys. This podcast is such a great thing for me. Una natin pag-usapan a concept that siguro align siguro. Line. Mm. What what can I what kinemeru so what is your hobby, or sige sabihin natin what is a podcast and inspiration behind it? So yun na lang muna, why are we now venturing this type of segment? Ayun, why do you venture this type of segment? So, ayan na, podcast na. For me, why did I venture this? Kasi sabi ko, I don't have any personal diary. Charot. Pero, I should have one. Meron ako. Siyempre mag-write tayo. But then, sometimes, we needed a video to showcase. Pero, gusto rin naman natin na maging educational. I created this podcast. I just created this podcast para mas makilala nyo pa ako into the deeper level of my side. And, yon. So, to start up, bakit ko ba gagawin to? Hi, my name is Katre, and I am what do you call it? Pero, I'm just an independent artist. Artist? Wow, artist. So, siguro, yeah, indie. Not indie, like, basta, I consider myself that, na parang, lahat sa akin, lahat sariling sikap, ganun. I don't have any management, so, guys, guys, if you guys wanted me to have a management, bakit mo ko hindi? Pero, guys, makakaaway niyo rin po ako. Chares! So, before that, yon Katre, where did Katre start? So, nag-start si Katre for having those names. Kat and Re, diba? Parang, what is the meaning of cat? So, you up to this podcast is the Katre Meow Meow Podcast. So, Katre Meow Meow Podcast, ganun. Katre Meow Meow, ang cute lang, no? Katre Meow Meow Podcast, tapos ganito yung una niyang background. So, pa high-tech. Hindi siya cute. So, cat is not just meow meow, ganun. To be honest, I have this online persona, marami man nakakaalam nun eh. I have this online persona dati on Stan Tweet. I'm Catriona Group. Miss Universe. Ganda-gandahan ang punan. Okay, the Yamate reference. So, Katre. Kat was my persona. So, parang alam mo yon, naging hobby ko na yung like to act like a 300 Gray. Even now, when I'm speaking, I tend to, think like Catriona, but baka i-compare nyo pa ako, hindi naman ako si Catriona, hindi ako chat GPT. So, yun. But I tend to love what Catriona do kasi I really relate to her. Siguro may Capricorn side, pero hindi ako Capricorn guys, I'm a Pisces. So, basta you guys, if you wanted to know my astronomical chart, bahala kayo dyan. So, yun nga, Catriona, kasi yung Catriona na persona ko is Stan Tweet, na sumusuport sa pop culture, ganyan. I'm even a big account to certain fandom. Ano pa ba? I am a trendsetter team, which, okay. Oh my God, a big flex. We trended number 1 in the Philippines. Number 1, 2, 3 spots. But then, that just not go my credits to me. Although I strategize, I know the algorithm of Twitter, it's not just my achievement. Achievement siya ng certain fandom ko. 'Di ba? Achievement siya ng artist na yun. It's not literally for me. I did not do it alone. So, Pero, it's a big flex. Kasi sabi ko. But then, may mga certain times, ayan na nga, certain times na hindi na rin talaga ako nag-align sa, 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 sa skeds. Wow, sa skeds. Pero, although, there have been a lot of crisis lately. Identity crisis. Ganito lang pag college, di ba? Identity crisis. Like, the teenage year was the best years of your life, and then you came into the point that you're now 18 and now turning 19 this year. May mga certain points na you just got lost in life kasi when you were in your prime, parang sabi ko, prime? So, wow, parang that was just my prime. So, how about now na hindi ko na prime? So, so I just ventured this out. So, now naman, I just wanted to support myself to create what I can do, to showcase what I can do, and to be creative. Kasi sabi ko, with the recent experiences, na sabi ko, I was just so creative to the point na a lot of people, a lot of a lot of my mutuals wanted to support me through this journey and wanted to, basta may mga talaga mga nagsusuporta kahit nasa tagulang, gilid lang. I really love those persons. So, yun. Yun, Catriona, ang lalim na hugot ko sa Catriona, it would be such a long story ahead, but then to sum up, siya yung main slayer, siya yung rampadora, siya yung matalino. siya yung siya yung napakaganda ng sense of humor sa stand tweet, and then kasi parang personal branding ko na siya. It's just the way I act. It's just the way in my blood, I think. And then restart. Re is somehow a restart. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, a restart na to venture myself up, and you don't know. Yeah. So, yeah, napayan na lang siya sa podcast na to. Yeah, and yun nga, for you guys to know me, what I'm capable of. So, and now I'm a journalism student, so I really love using this platform to actually create a podcast of me, sabi ko. Not just a content, sabi ko. Gusto ko ng purposeful. Kasi Catriona tayo, girl. Hindi tayo pwede mawala sa branding. Purposeful si Catriona. So, Katre, hindi lang siya nasabi ko, baka naman kinukunan ko ng identity si Catriona. No, it's just me and Catriona collabing with the personality. Chares. Pero, Katre is like a persona na Mina. So, if you think of Katre, siya, iba na eh. Hindi na siya yung Catriona na you see on Twitter. Yung Catriona you see on Twitter, iba na siya. It's the person that do content for the good. For the better. Ganon. Ano na siya, um, to a certain point of loving yourself. And yung na to, and then yan, why did I think of podcast? Sabi ko sa university namin, sabi ko one time, there are a lot of podcasts, so sabi ko nun, why not make it a hobby? Sabi ko, I'm in communications degree, so why not make it a hobby? Like, sabi ko, do this. Sabi ko, I will make it a hobby. Sabi ko, I will make it a hobby myself. Sabi ko, oh my God, let me make this a hobby. Parang sabi ko, pag may mga pa-outputs, I would not just like treat it as, just an output. Siguro maganda na naiput ko yung self ko into that hobby kasi sabi ko, I've been doing this, and then planado ko na talaga siya way back before. And my plan was, aligned ahead of the time. Thank you, Lord. May mga plano talaga tayo na mahal ni Lord. So, yun. Sa awa naman ng Diyos, we have equipments, and we are looking forward to that pa kasi sabi ko, mahirap din tayo eh. So, we really need to keep up with the certain trends. Tsaka, yun. in content creating inuuna ko man yung mga fundamentals, ganyan, sa dorm ko. So, siguro sa next, natin, episode of the podcast, I will be talking about that. So, just introducing myself na muna. Yeah, the podcast here. It's such a big, sa akin eh. Yeah. Na big hugot sa akin, sabi ko, okay, I will do this podcast. This is just a random thing kasi sabi ko pilot episode pala na ng podcast ko. So, this is gonna be so random. To be honest, this is gonna be so random lang to introduce myself and what I'm capable of, and I really love this. Is this gonna be my platform to educate, to share my experiences, to share what I can tell, 'di ba? And not just content creating. Yeah. That just goes with my purpose. Na although mahirap lang kami. Oh my god, we na to, charas. Um, Mahirap lang kami. I just wanted people to see this as a healing. To see this na, oh, siya nga kaya niya. Makakaya ko din. May mga tao din pala na ganito na, oh, siya din pala, ganito pala siya. Like, hindi pala ako nag-iisa na ganito na I wanted to attract the same mindset as mine. Ganon. Na, oh my God, hindi lang pala ako yung ganito na pumupunta sa certain point na to, na yung taong to, isa siyang, tagong potential. So, thank you sa naniniwala sa akin, and will never forget that phrase. Know your power. Now, I'm doing this as a podcast to know your power. Diba? Know your power. Diba? Kat Meow podcast ni. Ganun. Siguro, tama nga. Kat Meow Meow podcast. Maganda. Siguro, na podcast natin title. Know your power. I really love this. Kasi, oh my God, I really love it. Kasi know your power. Know your power. Know what you can do. And being in this podcast, you already know your power. So, ayan. So, guys, thank you for watching my pilot episode. So, if you guys wanted to watch this podcast, Know Your Power, just subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts. You can just search it, Katre Channel, Michelle Katre, yan. Thank you so much. So, please support me in this journey as I do this as a personal diary, and also to make this as a vessel of love for the country, love for culture, love for family, Reyna Hispano-Americana. Charot. Thank you. Ayan, so, congrats pa rin, Dia Mate. Thank you. So, for the second crown, yan, lumalabas sa pagka-pageant, niya, lover niya. Siguro soon, mag-produce tayo ng content like that, diba? And, hindi lang naman si sentro sa podcast ang video. So, I really love those. So, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye! Bye-bye guys. Bye!